Shabbat Shalom, everybody. I haven't done a Sabbath hike in a long time. Just because I've been I've been so busy throughout the week, I just really haven't felt like doing filming a Sabbath hike video, but I just thought I'd do that today, even though it's raining right now, but I'm sort of undercover with all the trees. And everything's so beautiful. All creation testifies to the glory of Yah. And this rainforest is just so beautiful here in Juneau. You can sort of hear the drippy of the rain. Hallelujah. It always stuns me how many different shades of green there are. That's the ocean right there, Pacific Ocean. As contained in various channels between hundreds and hundreds of islands that lie between Juneau and the open ocean. How lovely all the mountains are, the feet of him who brings good news, announcing peace, proclaiming news of happiness. Yahweh reigns. Yahweh reigns. Yahweh reigns. Yahweh reigns. Yahweh reigns. Yahweh reigns. So beautiful. Everything's so beautiful. Normally you'd be able to see a bunch of mountains, but there's so much fog and mist today. The clouds are so low you can't really see them. So I thought it'd be best to just go through the forest and enjoy the dripping of the rain and the glistening of the leaves, and there's some sunlight too. Sunlight coming out, but there's also a lot of rain. Hallelujah. Here's a little trickling creek. love you, Yah, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. May it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. I love you, Yah, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. May it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. May it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. This is like a place a bear might come into. All right, Shabbat Shalom, everybody. Shabbat Shalom.